So today we're going to learn about finding angle of a triangle. So this is really easy to understand, and if you understand the trigonometry formula, then this is simply the easiest way to find the angle of triangle, right? So if you remember O over P formula and finding the tangents of that's the formula that we're going to use. So first we have to get the inputs A and B. A, B, and BC number. So it will be AB, will be, we can convert into integer, and then that will be from the string input. Let's copy this, and we can paste it right here, and let's say BC. So AB, BC, right. And after that, we will find the angle right here. So after collecting the input, we can calculate the degrees, right? So let's try to calculate that by using this print Math.atan, and we can find AB over BC. Okay, let's print this out first and try to understand what's going on. The math is not, oh, okay, we forgot to import the math library. So import math. Okay, so that will work. Yep. So this is the number that we are getting. So this is probably a radians number, radians value, right? So we're going to turn that into degree. So math.degree. Okay, so that will be our degrees, and let's see what's the number we are getting. So this is the number. So lots of number there. So we will use, we will have to use a rounding number. So a round number will round up our value to, it will just round up and send us the integer numbers. Okay, so after rounding up, we can use some kind of this symbol right here, and then print the appropriate value there. So let's try to print that. Let's try to make the output more realistic. So we're going to use a degree symbol. So is it even degree or something? It's just symbols that shows numbers of degree, right? So degree, and we're going to convert ASCII value I think it's called 176, if you can look it up on internet. Yeah, so 176. And down here, we're going to use that right here, and we will use a bracket for that, like this, okay? And after that, we're going to use the percent symbol for inputting. And this is the format that we want to print. That's what we're saying, right? And after that, we will print percent s, percent d, and then percent s. So the s will be for the degree, and the d will be for the degree numbers, right? So that's how we are printing the value. Okay, so let's go and see if it's working correctly. Oh, char is not defined. Interesting. Okay, it's not char, it's CHR. So in Python, it's very different. They use only short form. So okay, so we get expected output 45 degrees. Math 10 degrees. I think we are forgetting something. Oh, not tangent. A10. A10 is very different. So inverse of something, a tangent. Yeah. So that's the one that we want to use. Yes, there you go. So that's the answer for this finding triangle angle, right? So there you go.